All right, y'all, so you see this big old lift right here? So what I did was I tried to eliminate the lift, but then the nail was really loose from the bottom. So now that it's gone, she got a little greenie here, and this is not a fungus, okay? This is a greenie, meaning moist got into it and it got trapped, and then it just turned green. And now that, you know, the nails is off, oxygen hits it, it's gonna be back to normal. We just gonna clean it up, and we can actually put a nail over this and just monetize it. Okay, I know some of y'all would be like, oh, I would leave it alone, but hey, a bad bitch gotta have her nails on. So I just used the paper band and just go ahead and sand up the surface of the nail, and look, all the greenies is almost gone. I mean, these are just the stain now, and it's gonna be gone. Once the nails start growing out, we just clip them out. That's it, y'all. And here it is with the tips. We're gonna go ahead and put acrylic on here. We just cleaned this with the dehydrator, and look at that, nice and clean, ready for the application. All right, we just added the primer, so now when we put the acrylic, it's gonna seal up and it's not gonna create any type of bubbles, so that this greenie can actually grow out. And there you have it, guys. Her nails is back to normal. We just gonna continue monetizing the greenie, but other than that, she's gonna live. She's not gonna be on no life support with these greenies, okay?